My name is Justin Ullery and I am the owner of The Flying Moose. The Flying Moose is a video or media production company. What I do is I help small businesses as well as corporations, but mainly small businesses. I help give them professional quality video and photo services, whether it is taking pictures of an event that they're having, videos of an event they're having, pictures of a product or videos of a product, a promo video for a band or the business or whatever the case may be, helping with student projects or taking my drone up to take pictures for all the things listed before, as well as real estate, construction, a farmer losing his cow trying to find a broken fence. You name it, if it can be done with a camera, I'm going to try to help you guys out and try to do it, because for me, it's not about the money, it's about the person. And I'd much rather get paid in smiles than I would money, but unfortunately, smiles don't pay for the equipment or for the repairs or the upkeep of the equipment. So I'll take majority smiles, but then I'll take a little bit of the money as well to be able to afford this stuff. But no, jokes aside, what I do is I try to help these small businesses grow in a world where everything is so against them. I want to be able to offer them a service that they normally would never be able to afford, because for a professional videographer to make like a promo video for a company, you're looking at over $1,600 to over $2,000 on the low end for a full video production service for a promo video for a company. Like an interview like this I have set up, you're looking at well over $1,000 starting out to be able to get something like this. I'm going to try to help be that middleman, where I'm going to help these small businesses be able to grow to where they can eventually get into the higher paid professional services, stuff that even beyond what I can help with. And I eventually want to grow to be able to do that stuff, but I want to be able to do that stuff and scale my work. I don't want to only offer the high-end stuff and only work for the high-paying customers and clients. Instead, I want to be able to help the small guys grow to the middle guys and then grow to the big guys and be able to help them every step of that journey. And thus, my prices will scale according to that as well. So my price, I say it's based on your budget, and that's what I mean. Now, does that mean you can give me the smallest dollar amount and I'll do something for you? Let's talk. Does that mean that you can offer me as much money as you want and be able to get the best quality thing? Maybe. Let's talk, let's work something out, because I'm limited by my equipment and they may be limited by what they want. So I got started in the video or media production workspace probably in my pre-teens. My mom had a camera that she would let me use, and I would use this camera and I would take pictures, but I would mainly do videos. Videos has always been my passion, my love. I do pictures a little bit, but I mainly work with videos, especially back then. And I would use her camera and I would make like these little short films. I would use some editing software and give me and my brother superpowers. I would make some lightsabers, and we'd have lightsaber battles. We would have a lot of fun, and this was a great opportunity for me to be able to learn some of the beginning stages of videography or cinematography by camera angles, camera cuts, video editing, the video editing software, and the list goes on from there. Dialogue, scripting, like I said, the list goes on, and that's where I really grew the love for the hobby, for the career, for this project. And so then fast forward several years, I started getting more into the digital side of stuff, because I didn't always have a camera, didn't always have people, didn't have money. And so doing like the cinematography, cinema, short film productions, I didn't have the ability to do that at that time. And so instead I started to do more gaming, and I used gaming as an avenue for the videography as well, because I would use the same stuff I knew, same stuff I learned with camera angles, cuts, and video editing. I would use that for gaming and digital content with those games, and I would make stories with the game, inside of the game, and it was a lot of fun, and it gave me some good experience in working with that field, and once again still giving me more experience in the video editing software and video editing in general, because all that was still the same, just on a digital platform instead of having physical cameras like I have here today. The end of 2024 where I got my first drone, and then in 2025 I started the Flying Moose that you guys are here today with. So if you guys have any questions or anything about whether I can help you out with something or what am I able to do, feel free to drop me an email, send me a text, or give me a phone call. All my information you can find in the contact section of this website. And for those of you that may not be seeing this from the website, you can go to theflyingmooseok.com or theflyingmooseok on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. I mainly post stuff on Facebook and the website. Instagram, I'll throw some pictures and videos up just for the reach, but I mainly will post updates and stuff on Facebook as well as the website. So make sure you guys are following the Facebook page as well as checking out the website every now and then. But with that said, thank you guys so much. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next project.